Hello everyone, so I'll quickly run through the CarpetFusion platform. So, this is a marketplace. We already have documentation as well, explaining how the system works and, additionally, our listing description. You'll also see more information available. So what it does is it actually connects professional cleaners with local homeowners. And yes, that is precisely how the whole system works. And you, as the owner, you will be able to determine and set your very own specific pricing. So if I navigate over to the administrative control panel just here, you'll see that you're able to set your price. That means that now each and every individual cleaner will be able to actually list their products, but they will first need to cover a small administrative fee in order to list the product successfully. Sorry, list the service on this platform, right? So let me set it back to 0, but you can change it later on, and then they'll need to pay. Right then, let's have a look at what the dashboard looks like for the provider. So let me just quickly log into the system now. I'm going to use this specific account here. Let's test it out with this one. This is a professional cleaners account. I'll show you what the dashboard looks like. Right then, here we are. This is the cleaner's personal dashboard. You'll be able to take a look at all your recent bookings, edit your storefront, and manage all your different services. Everything's here. So if I click on set up your storefront here, you'll be able to add your cover image, you can add your avatar, description, city, work schedule, animatis, and so on, and also list your services here. You can add more. Here are a few different examples I've added, and you can determine the specific pricing. And then we have the manage service. Yes, again, it will redirect you to the exact same location, and we've got the various bookings listed right here. You'll be able to see all your bookings, and here is the payout section. You'll be able to connect your Stripe account here. Once you're connected, you'll be able to receive payments. As a cleaner, right? You're not the owner of this platform, so you're the cleaner, so you can have multiple cleaners registering on the platform, and each of them will be able to earn money on your platform. That's how this kind of marketplace works, right? And here is my storefront, as you can see. Once I've fully set up and configured it, people will be able to book the professional service. We also have customer reviews, as well as order ratings. So now let me quickly log out and I'll log back in. So as a buyer, right, using a standard buyer account, which basically means they'll just try to find a specific service and yeah, go ahead and book that service. Now, let me just quickly switch over to this sample account here. I'll just walk you through the whole process step by step. Here we go. Once we're logged in, you'll be redirected to your bookings. So these are the services I've booked on this account. So let me quickly show you how it works. Let me try to book a service. So if I click on request booking, you'll actually be able to select your booking. Let me book this one. Once you click on book, you can see I'm currently booking this service. You can select it here and you'll have your details that you'll need to enter. We select the date. You choose the time you want. Of course, the time has been set by the cleaner. And then you click on proceed to payout. Let's wait. Yeah, here we are. Yes, yeah. Now, Stripe has loaded. You click on select card. This is the test card. I'm currently just using it to test this payment process. And then you click on pay. It will start processing your payment. And here we go. Booking confirmed. And there you have it. Now it says confirmed, so now this booking has been, it'll show up on the cleaner dashboard as well, so they can contact you and you can, yeah, arrange your service. And we also have a comprehensive search filter tool. If you simply select the button located here, you'll be able to filter through your results exactly as you require. You'll also be able to see all the cleaners here. Here, let me know if you have any questions. Of course, we can add more features on top if you wish. If you could just take a moment to let us know exactly what changes you would like to make on the system, and we will be more than happy to handle that for you. We can also add AI services for you. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, we can certainly set up AI matching so that someone can quite simply perform a quick search for a service, and the AI will automatically identify and select the best cleaning provider situated within their local area. Something like that. You get the idea. So, thank you. Goodbye.